Let us move to one more sum. In the adjoining figure, two circles with center A and B and of radii 5 cm and 3 cm touch each other internally. Here we can see the two circles. If the perpendicular bisector of AB meets the bigger circle in P and Q, find the length of PQ. Children, first of all, look at the figure, try to understand it. Here we can see one bigger circle, its center is A, and one smaller circle is also there, which is touching the bigger circle, and center of the smaller circle is B. So here A is center of bigger circle, B is center of smaller circle. So this distance AB is equal to difference of the radii of the two circles. So let us start the solution. And we need to write this. If two circles touches each other internally, then distance between their centers is equal to difference of their radii. So what we will get? The length of AB. So AB is equal to 5 cm is radius of the bigger circle and 3 cm is the radius of the smaller circle. So AB is equal to 5 minus 3 cm. This implies that AB is equal to 2 cm. Now here in this question we have to find the length of PQ, and it is already given that the perpendicular bisector of AB, that is PQ, is perpendicular bisector of AB, that is PC, also given that PQ is perpendicular bisector of AB. This implies that AC is equal to CB. And AC, what is the distance of AC then? This implies that AC is also equal to 1 centimeter. Now we need to join this AP. Let us join this. We join AP. Now what is AP? AP is radius of the bigger circle. So what is the radius of bigger circle? It is 5 centimeter. So let us write it here also. It will be easy for us. Now we have to find PQ. For finding PQ, first of all we need to find PC. And PC is equal to CQ. Because here AB is the center, B is the center. Understood? So if it is bisecting this, here PC is also equal to CQ. So in right triangle ACP. As PQ is the perpendicular bisector, here it is the forming an angle of 90 degrees. So ACP is a right angle triangle. So here in this triangle we are going to use Pythagoras property that AP square is equal to PC square plus CA square. We already know PA and we also have the value of AC. So what we will have to find here is PC. That's why we are bringing this PC square in the left hand side, and now we have got this relation that PC square is equal to AP square minus CA square. This implies that PC square is equal to AP, it is 5 centimeter, and CA, it is 1 centimeter. Here we have already calculated the value of AC, it is 1 centimeter. Now this gives us PC is equal to square root of 25 minus 1. This implies that PC is equal to square root of 24. And now square root of 24 is equal to 4 into 6. This will give us 2 root 6 centimeter. Now we have got PC, and PCQ is also equal to PC. Now PQ is equal to 2 times PC. This implies that PQ is equal to 2 into 2 root 6 centimeter. This implies that PQ is equal to 4 root 6 centimeter. Thus, length of PQ is 4 root 6 centimeter. Children, if you have doubt how PC is equal to CQ, you see that PQ is the chord and AC is also, A is the center and perpendicular, this is also perpendicular, bisects the chord. So PC is equal to CQ.